How to add questionnaires to Wix website. To add a questionnaire to your Wix website, you can follow the steps using JotForm. So JotForm is basically a popular form builder. This method is user-friendly and does not require coding skill. Right, so let me just open up. By the way, you can also use Google Forms or any type of forms which you are familiar with and you can easily make it. For now, JotForm is really easy for me, so I will just use my Google account to sign in here. So now here we are, but the best thing is that JotForms gives us, preset. So here you can just go and click on create form here, right? And here I can use a template, or you can just start from scratch, right? For example, you can just, edit each and everything. So it's regarding my product order form or just a registration form. So let's say I just like this one. I can preview this here by clicking on this, and I can also use this. So I like this one, so I will just use it, right? So just go and click on here and it will look like this. You can always customize this up. So in the preset, it does not mean if you choose a preset that you won't be able to customize it. You can. Right now, once everything is done, once you have changed each and everything, payment method could be nothing here. I just want a normal questionnaire. So here I will just go and click on submit. This is a form, right? So here now create your own jot form. Now here you have to go to the publish section, right? You will get this copy link or open in a new tab. Now here, once you have made it, on the left side you will get this option of embedded. So you have to copy this code, right? So this is really important. So I will just go and copy this code here. Now we have to go back to our Wix, click on design site here, so it will open something like this here. Now we have to just go and click on this plus icon. Right now here in the plus icon, now here, if you just scroll a little bit down, you will get this option of, contact and forms, as well as the embedded code here. So I choose embedded code, and after just a few minutes, I will explain you the forms, right? So here you can just go to the embedded code here and just go and click on here. And this could be, let's say I just want a normal. So I will just go and click on here. Now I will just click on enter code and I will paste this up here. Now click on update. Right now, once you just go and click on update here, it will just take a little bit time to load this up, and as you can see here, it has been loaded. Now I will just zoom this the section, so I can now customize how I want, right? So I can just move it here, right? And let's make it a little bit, customizable. Now whenever the customers comes up here, they can just create a form, right? So this is a form here, and I can just so here the customer comes and for example they want to fill up this form here. So now they can just go and choose here, right? Now the customer can also scroll this up, right? Now once everything is done, I can just go and save it here. But there's one more thing, guys. I can just go and click on this plus icon here, contact and form, and create a new form. So here you can just go and click on create a new form too, right? So this is how it's look, and it will start adding your form here. But the problem with the Wix form is that it's not customizable like jot form, right? So you have to, as you can see here, you have to make it everything from scratch, right? So the best thing I like about the jot form that I can just customize it out, but you are always free to do however you want, right? So I have explained you each and everything, and thanks for watching this video.